My name's Adam Francis. I'm the Business Development Manager for A-Safe in the South West, based in Southampton. My journey with safety in warehouse and factory environments would have started around 6 years ago within the forklift trade, consulting with customers to ensure they get the right and safe equipment for their facilities. That's developed through forklifts, material handling and warehouse storage and safety solutions, and then into safety barriers in my previous role. So about 6 years ago, it's been a development process through there, working through a number of different positions to get to where I am today. My biggest achievement to date would probably be I have a Guinness World Record certificate at home for a video game achievement that I did back in 2016.
I'm sorry, you need to tell us what that is.
Maybe not on the camera, I'm a bit embarrassed now. But,
Go on, Mr. Person, you have to tell us what that is.
So I was much younger then, of course, but this is a world record for creating a project on Minecraft. Insert snip here. I'm very passionate about anything technologically related with regards to space travel. Very passionate about the SpaceX side of things. Follow a lot of the space launches. Really interested in things like the Artemis mission and Starship that's coming up. It's a really fascinating area of the industry for me. Very excited about the future with A-Safe, market leader, well established within the industry, a large company with plenty of succession options and progression within the business. So looking to really prove myself here and grow myself within the business to higher levels within the company.